Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make bamboo shoot sabji. I have brought only one bamboo shoot and I have removed the outer cover of the bamboo shoots. Now we have to cut this and to remove the toxins from it, we have to cook this 2-3 times in hot water, drain the water and then start preparing the sabji. Now have cut the soft portion. Now this portion is very hard, so we'll remove this like this. Here also is very hard, so we have to remove that. I have cut the bamboo shoots. The hard portion I have removed it. This is the joint portion, so that we have to remove it. Now we will chop this finely, and I have kept water for boiling. After chopping the bamboo shoots, we'll put it in the water, boil it for 10 minutes and remove it from the water. Again boil it for another 10 minutes. The water is boiling. I have chopped them very finely. You can make sabji with tomato and onion for serving it along with chapati. But today I am going to make this South Indian style toran. That's why I have chopped them very finely. After cooking the bamboo shoots for 10 minutes once, now second time I am cooking this again in the hot water with salt water. In the hot water with salt. Again for 10 minutes I will cook this. Then afterwards we can prepare the sabji. Now this is cooked second time. I will switch off the gas. Now drain the excess water. Then we will start the preparation of toran. The bamboo shoot is ready now. I have taken moong dal, 2 tablespoons of moong dal I have taken. For tempering, mustard seeds, urad dal and red chili and curry leaves. For enhancing the taste, I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut, a small piece of green chili and 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Instead of green chili, you can add chili powder. The oil is hot. We will add the mustard seeds, urad dal and red chili in it. This is done. We'll add the curry leaves in it. Now the bamboo shoots and the moong dal. Add turmeric powder, required amount of salt and a tablespoon of water. Give a good mix. Now this is the season we get this bamboo shoots, so you can enjoy this dish. Now we'll cover and cook this till the dal is soft. In the meantime, we can crush this in the mixer and keep it ready. This is cooked nicely. Now we'll add the crushed coconut and green chili mix in this and saute this for few minutes. So your bamboo shoot toran is ready here. In this we can make variations by adding peanut. We can add crushed peanut, roasted and crushed peanut in this along with the coconut mix. The bamboo shoot sabji is ready. You can serve it along with sambar rice, rasam rice or curd rice, khichdi as a side dish. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.